Good morning. Today is Tuesday, December 2nd, 2025. I am here at Doctor's Lake Marina. This is What the Huck for a whole cleaned video. I did run across something that is a little bit of a concern to me. I will show you what it is. It is on the keel. There is a metal plate that runs the length of the boat, or several metal plates that run beneath the boat on the keel. And it does look like for about 8 to maybe 10 inches, one of the plates is starting to separate from the keel. So we're going to go ahead and check that out. I do have a recommendation. I will wait until the end of the video to say that. Additionally, this video will be going to Dane, so he might have a different alternative than my recommendation. So let's go ahead and check out the video. So it looked like it was a little bit bigger than the 8 to 10 inches that I first saw. Looked like it could be as long as 2 feet. So I'm going to go ahead and send this over to Dane. I do recommend that since the paint is already starting to go, that we do haul it out, get it painted, get all the keel checked out. But Dane might have another alternative. But anyway, yeah, so thank you again for choosing DS Dive.